So what's up, Savage Team? So we didn't put another collection. We got that Prime, which I didn't do yet. My sister's upstairs. So I'm at her house because of my other sister having her second child. And they already did have it. I can't put any pictures of him because that will make my sister mad. So let's just get to this Prime. I'll put the title as that. Alright. I'll try to put the title as that. Or maybe I'll put a picture of this instead. But I'll put new Prime taste test. You know how to do it. Alright. But remember to hit that subscribe button down there. Hit the bell and comment below your favorite Prime. This is going into the collection because I didn't do it yet. Okay, so you guys know it's a new Prime when you have to open it. So I think I did a taste test with this. It just tastes like fruit punch to me. Yeah, kind of a fruit punch, kind of. So if you guys don't know, I'm in my sister's house for now. You can hear them up there. When are you gonna do another video of using the VR, Joe? I don't know. I really don't know. Because after this, I am then picked up by my parents. Because they were just out because of my sister's new child. So, thank you for watching this little video of this Prime. From 1 to 10, I'm giving this a 7. Why I'm giving this one a 7? It doesn't taste like the normal blue. Because the blue one is the top 10. That's why. I love the laughter of child. Alright, so another live video is tomorrow. Everyone knows that. But if you want more live videos with my sister with the VR, comment below. Jesus. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Come on.